In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a Microsoft Teams meeting invite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly what to click and how to join your meeting smoothly, whether you're on a computer or a mobile device. Let's start from the very beginning. First, go to your email inbox. You can use any email service you normally use for work or school, such as your webmail in a browser or an email app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in with the account where you usually receive work or school messages, because that's where your Teams meeting invitations will be delivered. Once your inbox is open, look through your list of emails for the meeting invite. It will usually have a subject line mentioning Microsoft Teams meeting or something similar, often with the meeting title and date. If you receive a lot of emails, you might find it helpful to use the search bar and type in Teams or the name of the person who invited you. When you find the email that looks like a meeting invitation, click on it to open it fully so you can see the details. Inside the invite email, you should see the meeting information, such as the date, time, and possibly the agenda or description. Take a brief moment to confirm that this is the correct meeting you want to join, especially if you receive multiple invites. In the body of the email, look for a section that mentions Join Microsoft Teams Meeting, or something that says Join on your computer, mobile app, or room device. This is the important link you'll use to accept and join the meeting. Go ahead and click on that Join on your computer, mobile app, or room device link. When you click it, your browser will open a new tab. If you already have the Microsoft Teams app installed, your browser may prompt you to open the app. You can choose to open it in the app for the best experience, or you can continue in the browser if you prefer not to install anything. Once Teams opens, you'll usually see a preview screen where you can check your camera and microphone before entering the meeting. Here, you can turn your camera on or off and mute or unmute your microphone. When you're ready, click the button to join the meeting. That's all you need to do